Portsmouth and Southsea should be leaving. You've got the Celia Drummond announcements right there. Oh, it's about to leave. Oh, someone's coming. Just put my phone down for a minute. Look, there's the door close button. And there's doors closing. Oh, someone's just got on. Luckily they've just got on. This train was built in 2004 by Siemens in Germany. But this is actually revamped in 2017 when South West Trains went and then it became South Western Railway. They got taken over by First because they used to be run by Stagecoach when it was South West Trains. This one has been completely refurbished, got the refurbished seats, and it's been repainted as well in the South Western Railway colours. Yep, should be departing. Yep, there's the blow whistle. Yep, there's a blow whistle. He's just blown the blow whistle. Probably a red signal. It'll be going in a minute. Now here it is. It's going. Class 444 departing Portsmouth and Southsea.